Welcome to Practice Easy English. Super useful daily use English vocabulary. Optimistic. Positive, hopeful, upbeat. Despite challenges, she remained optimistic about the future. Being optimistic can really improve your overall well-being. Pessimistic. Negative, gloomy, downbeat. Try not to be too pessimistic about the outcome. Yeah, his pessimistic attitude really affected the team's morale. Hallucination. Delusion, illusion, mirage. I stayed up all night and I had this weird hallucination. Really? Sometimes fatigue can lead to hallucinations, you know? Ponder. Think about, consider, reflect on. Take some time to ponder your decision. Okay, I will think about my decision. Cordial. Friendly, amicable, warm-hearted. The neighbors exchanged cordial greetings. Their meeting was cordial and productive. Reluctant. Hesitant, unwilling, resistant. He was reluctant to admit his mistake. Many students are initially reluctant to speak in public. Hilarious. Funny, amusing, comical. The comedian's performance was absolutely hilarious. Oh, we had a hilarious time at the comedy show last night. Impactful. Influential, powerful, effective. Did you hear his speech? It was really impactful, left a lasting impression. Yeah, I was impressed by how influential he was. Improper. Inappropriate, unacceptable, unsuitable. Wearing jeans to a formal event would be improper. Yeah, he made an improper comment during the meeting too. Invisible. Unseen, hidden, unseeable. Sometimes our efforts go unnoticed, like they're invisible. True, it feels like all the hard work is hidden sometimes. keen, sharp, eager, enthusiastic. She has a keen sense of observation. I'm keen to learn more about this topic. It sounds interesting. Long-lasting, durable, enduring, long-running. Invest in a long-lasting relationship. Honesty ensures a long-lasting relationship. Materialistic, money-oriented, worldly, consumerist. Some people are overly materialistic, focusing on possessions. Yeah, they don't see the value beyond material things. Eager, enthusiastic, keen, excited. Are you eager to start the new project? Yes, I'm excited and keen to get things going. Comprehend, understand, grasp, perceive. I couldn't comprehend the instructions. They were so confusing. Sometimes, it takes a moment to grasp complex information. Permit, allow, authorize, grant. The teacher will permit you to leave early. Great, she'll allow me to go ahead of time. Forbid, prohibit, ban, disallow. The sign forbids entry without permission. Oh, they really ban unauthorized access. Persist, persevere, continue, be determined. Despite challenges, she persisted in her goals. Yeah, it's important to persist in the face of adversity. Diverse, varied, different, various. The city is known for its diverse population. We tried a diverse range of cuisines during our trip. Reveal, disclose, unveil, uncover. I have something to reveal. I got a promotion at work. Really? That's exciting news. Don't keep me in suspense. Tell me more. Entertain, amuse, delight, engage. The magician entertained the audience with amazing tricks. We were so delighted. It was an engaging performance. Astonishing. Amazing, astounding, surprising. The view from the mountain top was astonishing. I bet the scenery was amazing. I'd love to see it sometime. Enjoyable. Pleasant, entertaining, satisfying, agreeable. The picnic was so enjoyable with good food and company. Pleasant weather and good friends make any outing satisfying. Remarkable. Noteworthy, exceptional, outstanding. His achievements in the project were remarkable. Being exceptional at work is always something to be proud of. Considerate. Attentive, kind, mindful, thoughtful. He's so considerate. He always helps others without being asked. Being attentive and kind makes a big difference in how people perceive you. Reflect on. Ponder, contemplate, think about. I like to reflect on my day before going to bed. Taking a moment to contemplate your day is a good habit. Efficient. Productive, effective, capable. The new system is more efficient. It saves a lot of time. Being productive and capable is essential for any workplace. Flexible. Adaptable, versatile, adjustable. Being flexible with your schedule can make life easier. Versatility is a valuable trait. It helps you adapt to different situations. Expressive. Communicative, demonstrative, articulate. She's so expressive. You can always tell how she feels. Being communicative and articulate is a great skill. Affectionate. Loving, warm, tender. Their relationship is so affectionate, you can see the love they share. Being warm and tender makes relationships stronger.